Then main reason I chose law at Cambridge in the flexibility.
I want a subject that was very current and sort of up to date with what was going on in the world right now.
I was able to study human rights law, which allowed me to look into very interesting topics such as immigrative or the rights of religion.
The law course at Cambridge involves thinking about the law as it relates to individuals, the law as it relates to the state, and the law as it relates in between states.
Students are expected to think critically about the law as it is to think about the theory, the economic and social implication of it, and also to look at real life problems and apply the law to those facts.
There is a real value to exploring these issues, which are of fundamental importance to society in such depth.
It's life and vibrant and intellectually extremely interesting. So the course at Cambridge is a traditional academic law course. Students study for subject in their first year. That's Roman law, tort, criminal law, and constitutional law. In their second year, they study land law and the law of contract, and then three option subjects that they can choose from a large list. Things like administrative law, legal history, public international law, all sort of things.
Having the freedom in second year to decide what you like and what you would like to study based on the foundation papers of the first year is a really great way to help you to shape your own degree and come out with something that's really side to you. Sub sub upbeat music.
The model of teaching is really divided into lectures and mini supervision. Supervision are small group session talking and interacting with their supervisor.
It's really helpful for clarifying things you did not understand.
Your voice is very much heard in the supervision seasons.
It's a very intense and very rewarding format. On that, we're extremely proud of and passionate about here in Cambridge.
All our lectures are held in the law faculty and incredible new and very modern building with a huge library.
We have a lot of online resources like Westlaw and LexisNexis that allow you to find articles and cases that you need for your study.
I don't think I've ever struggled to find a book, whether that be online or in physical copy, and the librarians themselves are so helpful in my spare time. I usually have a lot of time with friends. I often do a lot of sport.
I quite like to go the theater.
I play netball and hockey for my college. There is a lot going on, which is really fun.
Cambridge is absolutely committed to the widest possibility of access to the university and to studying law here.
The interview is a really good experience. Just be really careful to think a lot about what it is you are being asked so that the interviewers can follow your thought process.
Prospective applicants thinking of doing law at Cambridge could probably benefit from reading decent new papers.
Don't just read it, think critically about it. As why is the law involved here? Start to immerse yourself in illegal ideas that way.
A lot of our students will go into legal fields. They'll They all become solicitors of barristers. Some others go into the civil service, or they work in the city in others area.
Some work for charities, some work as in-house lawyers in law firms or newspaper. Some are parliamentary draftsmen and array of different jobs.
After I graduate, I plan to go into human rights law.
After graduation, I would like to become a commercial solicitor in a law firm in London, hopefully.
I'm particularly interested in property law and looking at big infrastructure projects.
I think it's a degree that doesn't pigeonhole you into a career, but actually just opens up doors for you.